welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode, we're opening up a Walmart Beauty limited edition box. It was only $13. Well, you know, Walmart, $12.98. And I just received the one today. I bought two, but I received one. So we're gonna go ahead and open this one. Again, this box was only $13. Walmart Beauty box. And it comes with a little card. And on the card, it'll say the prices, which is fantastic. So let's get started. This one is still available. I will link the link down below so you can go ahead and check it out if you want to do that. So let's get started. Again, this box is $12.98, and this one is called I Love Being Home. I as in E-Y-E, love being home. And they've got a lot of nice stuff in here. It says, create the spa experience at home with our lineup of pampering treats that'll leave you glowing from head to toe. Tag Walmart Beauty box to share your look. Again, that is the pamphlet there. And let's go ahead and see what's here. So we have a sample. I love getting these, although I'm kind of iffy about Tresemme. I know I was using a Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and it was I was telling my daughter, I'm getting scabs in my head, and she was like, what? And I thought it was from dyeing my hair. I was getting these really big scabs, like if I was digging in my head and making myself bleed. And then when the whole lawsuit came out with Tresemme, I actually had that shampoo and conditioner in my bathroom. So I don't think it's this one, but I will look it up. Now this stuff was sitting in my mailbox all weekend, and it's like 20 degrees outside and we have a snowstorm, and that's why maybe it looks settled the way it does. So we got the Tresemme Pure, and this says that the regular size, full size, is 16 ounces, and they're $5.98 each. So this is just their sample. And if this doesn't have that ingredient to make your hair fall out, because my hair was falling out in clumps, and I thought it was just me, like going through the change or something, but nope, it was a shampoo. So that's that. Then the next item is the NYX Fill and Fluff Eyebrow Pencil. It says clear. What? Major upgrade from clear brow gel. This dual-ended pencil makes it super easy to tame, set, and add texture to your eyebrows. And this is $11. I haven't heard of this one. Have you guys heard of this one? I'm gonna give this to my daughter. She was looking for an eyebrow pencil, but of course I don't have scissors, so I will use my cuticle scissors. Okay, and let's see, $11. I normally just get the Morphe eyebrow pencil, and that's like $5, and you can get that at where do I get mine at? Besides Morphe, Ulta, I think. So Fill and Fluff. Oh, that's a different kind of brush. Look at that brush. There we go. That's different. I've never seen that before. Oh, it is clear. So definitely give that to my daughter. Actually, she wanted one with color in it, but I'm gonna ask her to try this out and see what it feels like. The brush feels really nice though. So there we go. We got that. The next item, just gonna pull it out, is the Vital Proteins Lavender Lemon Beauty Collagen. This stuff is amazing. I actually bought this at an exercise expo that they had in Chicago a few years back. This stuff is delicious. I love this. It has 120 milligrams of hyaluronic acid, 12 grams of collagen. Now, does it do anything for your hair, nails, and all that? I don't know. But I could tell you, it tastes delicious. And I would just drink this with water. And I'm kind of glad I got the sample. So we got that. And the full size, so the full size for the NYX is $11. This is a full size item. So this paid for pretty much the box. The box is $13, this was $11. The Vital Proteins, a full size, I forget how many come in a container. You can buy a container like that. or you can buy them in strips like this, and I forget how many come in there, but the full size is $24.98. I got that. And I think they have them at Costco now. I'm not sure, but I believe so. So don't forget, you guys, subscribe. I'm actually changing up my channel a little bit. I will be bringing different content to my channel. I'm actually working on something right now. It should be up this week. I will be doing videos Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays, and I actually have something way different coming. It's way different, so I hope you all stay with me. I'm changing it up, like I said, and it's a story, so I'm working on that. And I'm watching television, and you can see it in my glasses. So let me turn that off. Okay, so now you don't see. I didn't know that you could see it in my glasses until I looked into my screen. Anyway, the next item is this. What is this? What is this? It's nicely packaged. I forgot to show you. This is the inside. Everything is nicely packaged. I already took some stuff out. And then we have this. This is Essie nail polish. Ooh, this is a pretty color. I have my fake nails on, so it's not like... But this is cute. I do my toes in this. This is called Mosaic on Down. Why do I want to start singing the Oz? Mosaic on Down. Come on down the road. Yeah, I'm not giving up my day job for sure. So the full, here it is. This is a pretty color. I was trying to find something to put it on. Maybe I'll put it on here. Essie nail polish is $8.97. Essie's one of the more pricier ones. So just with this and the NYX, everything else is like complimentary. And this is a pretty color. And for, you know, it's not a mystery box. So you know what you're buying when you go to the website. Oh, I like this. Okay, this is only one. This is a pretty color for your, well, at least I'll put it on my toes, or like that one nail when you have them different like me. I always get that one different, that different nail. I've been doing it for like 30 years. Look at that color. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty, that gold color right there? That is pretty. $9. So these two products here is 20 bucks. I pretty much paid for this box. Everything else is complimentary. And it's a universal color for both of them. You know, you can't go wrong with that. And like I said, it tells you what you're getting, so there's no surprises. Oh, let me see. I'm trying to see if you could see the screen better. Anyways, there's no surprises though. It tells you exactly what you're getting. I could have sworn I bought the other one. The other one has a different color nail polish and lipstick. But anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. I could have sworn I bought the second box. I'll have to check. So the next thing I'm pulling out of here is the facial oil mist. And this is Calming by e.l.f. And this is worth $5. Oh man, this box is actually really good. What did I do with my little... Here it is. This box is actually worth the $13. And you seem to get more stuff in this box than you do in the Ipsy $12 one. And this is not based on anything, you know, it's like, it's not, like I said, it's not a mystery box, it's not a subscription box. So you don't, you know, you buy one and you're done. You don't have to worry about, oh my god, my credit card's gonna get charged again for another box, which I'm famous for. Which I believe, I think I paid for another Ipsy box or bag or something. So yeah, this e.l.f. stuff is like, oh shit, it's stuck to the paper. See? I'm trying to take it. Paper off. There we go. That's some good tape right there. This is the lavender oil, infused with lavender oil. Now, do you spray this? Need a boost, mist onto face thoroughly as needed. I'm not. Oh, it smells good. It smells just like lavender. Yep. So if you're not a lavender fan, you're not gonna like this, but it smells good. So $5 for that. The next one. Now we have these little samples. We have the Bjor charcoal pore strip. Did we get this in the last box? Like the last small one? So you get one strip. You know, and I hear on TikTok, they're good for you, they're not good for you, whatever. I use them, I don't give a shit. So they're supposed to unclog your pores. So I got that. Then we have, oh, so I told you what the price was for the Elf Mist, $5. The Bjor strips, 6 count. So this is worth $1, or a little less than $1. Bjor charcoal deep cleansing pore strips, full size, $5.88, and you get 6 of them in there. So that's good. Then we have the Bliss holographic foil eye masks. That's I Got This. Deep puffs and brightens. And the full size. Wow, this is a full size. This is a full size. Wow. This is $2.97. Wow, full size. Wow. Okay. $3 there. And then the last item is the Woodwick mini hourglass candle. Jeez. Thank you for wrapping my item very nicely. I should really keep scissors here. Oh, I can smell the candle. It smells good. I smell like pine. Oh, it smells good. It smells like pine tree. And this is, that is the brand, huh? Woodwick. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yes. Oh, this is strong. Fraser fir. Crackles as it burns. Oh, I wanted one of those. Woodwick with Plus Wick innovation. This patented wick design delivers soothing crackle, fast fragrance, and better burn. So it comes like this. And the full size, which is 22 ounces. This is 3 ounces, by the way, 3 ounces. The 22 ounce is $19.68. And this was the inside of that. So you can read that. Just so you know, when you guys burn candles, I don't know if everybody does this or doesn't do it or do it. When you burn candles, and that's the inside of that. You're supposed to either extinguish it with the top itself, because you want to stop the candle from getting any oxygen, because oxygen will fuel a fire. And you cover it and you leave it alone, and it will die down, and you don't get that smell of the burn, like the black when you turn off a fire. Or you buy, which I have like 3 of them, you buy the candle to like a little bell, and you place it right over the flame. You never want to blow out a candle, ever. It's not good. It just keeps your candle, and then, you know, depending on how big your candle is, that's how long you light it for. But you just go ahead and it's a long, and it just drops down, and you extinguish the flame, and that's it. I like to just cover it with something, a plate or something, and you just want to stop the oxygen, and you want to suffocate a fire that way, because oxygen will fuel the fire, and you know, to stop it, you want to pretty much suffocate it. And that's a pretty candle. It's nice. And that's it. That was everything in my box. I like this box a lot. Thank you, Walmart. Well, I bought it, so again, the box, and then everything came in here. So you have the candle, you have the Elf oil mist, calming with lavender. We have the Tresemme, the pure shampoo and conditioner. We also have the Vital Proteins, the little stick of that. That's actually very delicious. We have the Essie nail polish, and then we have the NYX Fill and Fluff, and we have the Bliss, which is $3, by the way, eye masks. Oh, there we go. And then we have the Bjor strip, what ends up to be about $1 each. So what is this box really worth? It's well worth, just with the nail polish and the NYX, it's worth 20 bucks. So that's it. Let me know if you like this box. I will try to get some more. I really like these. I will use everything that's in this box. But thank you all for being here. Don't forget to hit subscribe, or make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to like or dislike this video. It's all the same to me. Leave me a comment. Let me know how your day is going. If you like this box, like I said, I'm waiting for the other box. I was supposed to give one of these boxes away, so or a combination of both, just to see, just to, you know, give one away. But again, my content will be changing pretty soon. I'll be bringing some more, something that I really like, and I'm very fascinated with, besides my makeup and besides subscription boxes. So I hope you all stay tuned for that. That's coming up pretty soon. And that is all. So I will see you on the next one. Thank you for being here. Hasta laters.